Hello guys, it's me Gautam and I'm back again doing cold calling. If you've seen my old cold calling videos few months ago, yes, I used to do cold calling and then I started getting all my clients through referrals, networking, and I was just going to my local locations to pitch my services and I was signing clients here and there, so I was having a steady flow of income every month. But the goal was supposed to hit a 10k mile, and I can't do that just by referrals and walking straight to the business. And I've decided I'm gonna go all in on cold calling. Probably I'm gonna do 4 to 5 days a week and like 50 to 100 calls a day. And as you can see, the time is 2:26, and I was supposed to start this cold calling at 12 p.m. today. Yes, I've been procrastinating a lot, and I was supposed to start cold calling yesterday, and I was tweaking the scripts here and there. And I know about myself that when something feels really hard, I end up being procrastinating and concentrating too much time on the things which doesn't really care. Yes, having a script helps, but if you don't call, you're not going to sign clients. I'm pretty sure that most of you are going through the same struggle. And if you don't want to be alone, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, maybe share this video to the people who are in your group. And I'm thinking about having our own community so that we can push each other's. Probably if you go down below, you can find a link if it's live. And last month I did 5k for the first time, but I'm pretty sure that it will drop again the next month since I don't have enough referrals and all the business in my local area is shutting down. So I have to do something, and I have given a certain amount of time for myself to hit the 10k mark. So instead of reaching out to all different businesses, I've picked a niche for myself, which is plumbing in the UK. I will share my screen in a moment. I've split the screen in two halves. One half is script and another half is Google Maps. So I just typed plumbers in Bedfordshire, and I'm just going from top to bottom. For example, as you can see, all the counties in England: Bedfordshire, Berkshire, Bristol, Buckinghamshire. So I'm going one by one, and I'm choosing all the businesses who don't have a website, and I'm pitching my service. Yes, I'm not gonna talk. Yes, I'm I'm procrastinating too much even by talking to the video. So I'm done talking. Let's get to our first call.
Welcome to the EE voicemail. I'm sorry, but the person you've called isn't...
That's the first call. My heart is beating really fast. Yes, I did it a few months ago. It feels like I'm starting all over again. Yes, it's stressful. But moving on to the second call. Hello, is this Pronto Plumbing?
No, this is Leakshield Plumbing.
Oh yeah, I was looking into, I think you've changed your name. Yeah, I wasn't sure if you guys were open because it says closed for some reason. I didn't saw any website or anything. Are you still open and doing services, right?
No, you've got the wrong company. This isn't Pronto Plumbing.
Oh, this is not a plumbing company at all?
It's a plumbing company called Leakshield Plumbing, not Pronto Plumbing.
Okay, Leakshield Plumbing. Okay, got it. So amazing, it sounds good. So, I was just calling you in regards of like I built you a high converting website with an AI employee to help you get more jobs without spending any money on paid ads. If you
we're good, thank you. Cheers.
Okay, man, have a nice day. Shit. Okay, I got scared since it's the first call. Yes, so this is the truth. All the videos you're watching on YouTube, all the people are closing clients on every single call. This is what goes behind. This is the truth. I don't care. This is the first call. It meant to happen. I freaked out. I'll search for another business to call. Yeah, there's lots of businesses without websites, so yeah, good for us.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone.
It's not a good start, but it is something. Next call. No answer. So if you're new to cold calling and if you feel like it's scary and you're struggling to start, trust me, starting is the first fear. Like it's really hard to start. And even today, I was procrastinating from the morning, and I was supposed to do this yesterday after having like first few calls. Now I'm feeling calm. I'm not too shaking. Yes, I got my first rejection. If you keep on getting rejected, you will be numb to this feeling. So I'm just trying to get rejected as quick as possible so that I'll start calling more businesses at least from tomorrow. So today is kind of like a trial cold calling session. At least I'm doing something. This is what you should do. You should do something. Don't just watch all the cold calling videos. All the gurus who are pushing the videos, making it easy. It's not true. This is the actual reality. So don't freak out. Just pick a phone, start calling. Hello, is that SNJ Plumbing?
No, I'm Gavin Morland.
Oh, sorry, mate, wrong number.
I'm Gavin Morland. Do you know who I am?
Sorry?
I'm Gavin Morland, live in LL573TA.
Okay, I think it's a wrong number, sorry. Come on, man. Okay, next call.
Hello.
Hello, is it Jamie the Happy Plumber?
Speaking.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if you guys were open because it says closed for some reason on Google and I didn't find a website. You're still open and doing services, right?
Yeah, I don't have a web page, no.
Oh, okay, amazing, mate. That sounds good. So, believe it or not, I actually built you a high converting website along with the AI employee, totally for free.
Why would you do? Hang on a minute. Nothing is free.
Yes, I'm just starting out. I'm just I need to get some reviews before getting a client and start getting paid. If you had like 10-15 minutes, I would just show you on a video call.
No, I haven't got time. I'm sorry, and I don't need a web page. I'm booked up for nearly the rest of the year already. So
Okay,
anyway.
that's good, mate. That's good. Have a nice day. I tried to put the free so that I thought they will be intrigued. Okay, I'm not gonna change the script anymore. I'm just gonna say whatever is in the script. I'm not gonna give everything for free. Yeah, let's start. Let's call another one.
Hi.
Hello, is that MCB Plumbing?
Hello, yes.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if you guys were open because it says closed for some reason on Google and I couldn't find a website or anything. Are you guys still open and doing services, right?
Not really, no.
Okay.
No, we're not really doing, it's still there. What's the nature of the call?
Yes, basically I called you because I went ahead and built you a free website for your business to get more leads.
Okay, no, that's not something I'm going to require, but I appreciate your time with it.
Okay, mate, have a nice day.
All right, and you. Bye-bye now.
Bye. Okay, what I'm gonna do... Yes, I said... Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick with the free website because since I niched down for plumbing, I need to get some testimonials and reviews and I have to make a landing page when I actually book a client. I have to give them a reviews and testimonials from a plumbing clients I worked with. So I would be authority on this niche. So people will be tend to more trustworthy towards my services. So yeah, for now I'm thinking to lean more on giving them a free website and signing them with hosting fees and upselling them with SaaS like 97 pounds a month. So let's see how it goes. I'm gonna change the script and I'm gonna start calling another business. Let's see what happens.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone,
That sucks.
No,
Hello, mate. Is it Eco
Can't
Plumbing?
take your call right now. Just leave your message after the tone.
Come
When
on.
you're done, press hash or just hang up.
Hello.
Hello, is it Eco Plumbing?
Yes, speaking.
I wasn't sure if you guys were open because it says closed for some reason on Google and I didn't see a website or anything. You're still open and doing services, right?
Yes.
Yeah, amazing, man. Sounds good. So, believe it or not, I actually went ahead and built you a high converting free website to get more clients. If you had like 10-15 minutes, I can show you on a video call. If you like it, you can keep it.
Okay. Can you give me 5 minutes? Yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely. I'll give you a call in 5 minutes.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you, mate. See you soon. Okay. Things are looking good. We got one. It's not a booking. One interest. So I'm doing everything manually today. I'm just giving it a try. I'm just getting started. I'm not gonna go crazy with auto dialing and everything stacked. So yeah, I'm calling one by one, looking at the Google My Business page. At the moment, I got one maybe. So yeah, this is it. If you call like 10 calls, you get one maybe or one yeses. So don't lose hope. Hello.
Hello.
Is it DQP Plumbing?
Speaking.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if you guys were open because it says closed for some reason on Google and I couldn't find a website. Are you still open and doing services, right?
Yes, I am. Yeah. Sorry, who's speaking?
Amazing, man. Sounds good. So, believe it or not, I actually went ahead and built you a high converting website with an AI employee totally for free. Shit. Cut the call. Dang it.
Hello?
Hello, is this SMAC Plumbing?
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if you guys were open because it says closed for some reason. I couldn't find a website. You're still open, right?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, amazing. It sounds good. So, believe it or not, I actually went ahead and built you a high conversion website with an AI employee totally for free. If you had some time, like 10-15 minutes, I can show you in a video call. If you like it, you can keep it.
I can keep it.
Yes.
The catch.
Since I'm starting out my web design agency, I'm just looking for reviews from customers. So I'm giving free website in exchange of reviews.
Okay.
So let me know when you're free. We can hop on a video call and I can show you the website.
Weekend, is it right? Weekend.
Sorry, man, I didn't get you.
Could you give us a call back later on? I can arrange something later on.
Later on, like on evening?
Yeah.
Absolutely, mate. Yes, I'll give you a call on like 5 or 6 in the evening today.
Okay. Cheers, thank you.
Thank you, mate. See you soon.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Second. Let's go, man. Let's go. Okay. See, it's not that hard. You're just gonna keep on rolling it. So I'm gonna try to give them free with the hosting and the AI upselling.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're
Okay.
trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message.
So all the business who are leaving to the voicemail, you can also upsell the text call, missed call text back from Go High Level. So yeah, just thought about this. So if someone calls me back, I'm gonna upsell them as well. So it's a big issue in this niche. If plumbers are doing something at the time and they can't keep on answering the call. So that's a good idea.
Afternoon, Divine Plumbing here.
Hello, is this Divine Plumbing?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if you guys were open because it says closed for some reason on Google and I couldn't find a website. You're still open, right?
Oh, really? Yes, we're still open, yes.
Okay, amazing. That sounds good. So, believe it or not, I actually went ahead and created a high converting website with an AI employee totally for free. and I was wondering if you had like 10-15 minutes to show it on a video call. If you
Not right now, mate. I'm on a job at the minute. Could you WhatsApp something to me?
Absolutely, man. I can give you a call when you're free on the evening or something.
I don't have an evening at the minute. It probably says they're closed because it's just flat out. They probably know. But yeah, just WhatsApp over to me. I'll have a look. If I'm interested, I'll give you a message, alright?
Okay, man. Have a nice day.
Cheers, buddy. Easy.
I'm dumb. I'm pretty sure that he's gonna say no, even if I WhatsApped him. But you never know. So if someone says this, you just give them a message or drop it down. Maybe if in the future they will be interested and they will call you back. You never know. So
Hello?
yeah, hello mate. I was the guy who spoke to you about the website a few minutes ago.
Yeah.
You asked me to call me back on 5 minutes.
Okay, so what are you gonna do there for the website?
So yeah, I can connect it to your domain if you already have one, and it's gonna be live, and you'll be having that website totally for free. So
No charge.
yes, let me know when you're free. I can show it to you on a Zoom call or a video call.
Okay, because I have a job at the moment, so I'm leaving now. So I'm free after 4:30. Yeah.
Absolutely, 4:30. I'll drop you a video call message, and you can just click on the link, and I can show you the website.
No problem. Thank you.
Absolutely, mate. See you soon.
Yes, bye.
Yes. I turned the maybe into one meeting. So it's not a bad day. It started really bad. I was struggling and I was shaking, and I was, even with the script, I was looking at it, I was messing it up, but it's not bad. So the time it's 3:30 now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish the cold calling for now at the moment, and I'm gonna slap some logos and images on the templated website I already have in my Go High level. So yes, I'm gonna make a script on how to close this client with the SaaS upsell. Probably I'll try to record everything, and even if I didn't close the client, probably you can learn something from the recorded video. People can actually learn more from the failure than the success. So I'm gonna do that, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna do the same thing again, but tomorrow I'm not gonna procrastinate. I'm gonna start from 12, and I'm gonna do like 100 cold calls. Probably today I did like 20 or something. I'm not proud of it. At the same time, I'm not ashamed. I started. So I booked a meeting. It's not a bad day for a trial session. So see you guys tomorrow.